My name's Carl Waghorn and I'm the owner of KCS switchgear in Tauranga, Bay of Plenty in New Zealand. Within the region we have a lot of kiwi fruit industry, and then further out of the region in Rotorua and down those ways, logs and milling. The New Zealand market at the moment is pretty buoyant. We've certainly come off of a very strong period. Recently we've done a couple of quite large projects for Tauranga Hospital and the Red Stag Sawmill. The Tauranga Hospital generator infrastructure upgrade involved 3 switchboards connected to 3 separate generators, each running a building independently, but with the capability of syncing the generators, linking the boards and being able to run all 3 in parallel, run the key loads off of the generators that do start should one of them fail to do so. Red Stag's sawmill located in Rotorua, which is only about an hour from here. The new super mill that they've purchased from the American company is amazing to watch. It is obviously very high throughput with very stringent KPIs, but to see a machine process logs like that, and for someone in an automation background who's seen a lot of machinery, it's pretty to watch. So our involvement in that project was initially the PDCs, which are the first boards off of the transformer. Then later on in stage 2, motor control centres that run all of the loads and hold all the automation equipment. Red Stag job being an Allen Bradley based automation setup as well, which is another product range that NHP carries. It means we could go to them with a solution of 3 key components, which being the metalwork, the switchgear and the automation product. The reason we work with NHP is because of the quality of the products and service that they supply. They are the cubic agents for the region, and cubic's a very strong product. They also went to the effort of having their own range, Terasaki, MCCBs and ACBs type tested in it for the Australasian standard. So it's a pretty natural choice in terms of strength of product. What we are seeing is an increase in automated products, automated factories, and a much higher importance placed on safety, both in terms of the switchboard with arc fault containment and so on, which makes cubic a very strong choice. But also with Red Stag's timber mill, it was also a category 4 safety site, so that means dual isolation for all motors. Technology-wise, in those sort of areas is increasing. Also energy management and metering is increasingly important. The fundamentals of putting a board together that's robust haven't changed much, but in terms of those areas there is more technology coming into the boards. The tender game in Tauranga and Auckland is fiercely competitive, and one of the advantages that I feel we hold is our relationship with NHP, and knowing that we can get the products and support and project-based pricing to go to the market with a first-class product at a competitive rate.